50 million malaika just sujood and you're just standing there. What are you doing? Iblees, he's there. Why is he there? We don't know. But it could be he's there with the malaika in the heavens. It could be because he's a good worshipper. Because who has the honor of lingering in the VIP section? In the heavens is the VIP section. Yes? It is the VIP section. You're not here, dunya. This is not the VIP section. The heavens is the VIP section. Why is he in the VIP section? Who goes to the VIP section? Good worshippers. So could it be that he is from the jinn? Because in Surah Al-Kahf, Allah tells he was from al-jinn. Very clear. So he's from the jinn, but the jinn, they're supposed to live in dunya. Could it be that corruption was so bad, kufr was so bad in dunya from jinn, but he was such a good worshipper? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told him, come up to the VIP section. Could it be? Why is he there? It could be. We don't know. We don't know. Worshipping Allah with Al-Malaika. Wow. That's a very high status of being submissive to the command of Allah. Amazing. And then suddenly, this happens. Illa Iblees. He just stood there. There's about 50 million malaika just sujood and you're just standing there. What are you doing? Aba. No. Aba is a very strong nafi. Nafyun qawi. Nafi is to negate. I refuse. When you ask someone for something and they don't want to do it, there are different ways of saying, I don't want to do this. Right? There's like a sweet way, there's like a normal way, just not sweet and not nasty, and there's like a rude way, and there's like a very bad way of saying no. This is the worst. The word aba, it's full of like a 3-year-old looking straight dead into your eye. No. What? You don't know who I am? Do you know that feeling? Can you show me your bag? No. I refuse. It's that kind of no. Hold on a minute. I need to teach you who are you and who are you addressing. What are you doing? It's a very scary no. It implies there's a messy heart in there. Very bad heart. Aba wastakbara wa kana min al-kafirin. I will not. Why? Istikbar. And this is the first sin was done in a rebellious manner against Allah. The sujood? No, not the sujood. Every sin done by the body. Backbiting is a sin done by what? The body. Tongue is a part of the body, correct? When you listen to foul language, this is a sin done by the body. Ear is part of the body. When you use your hand in doing something that's haram, or you're buying something that's haram, or your job, the money that you're being paid is haram, that's all physical things. Your body is doing all of that. Every single sin that the body makes is a result of a sin that begins before in the heart. There is a hadith in Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam that Allah will forgive almost any sin of the body. Almost. But He will never forgive matters of the heart.